Welcome. My name is Xancher, and I'm the safety captain for Team 2228. I will be showing you how to keep safe. Proper safety attire consists of safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, fitted clothing, and strings or necklaces tucked in. All long hair should always be tied back. When in the shop and using tools, you must always have a mentor present. Wear safety glasses, and in some cases use a face shield or earmuffs if needed. No fooling around in the shop. Always walk while in the shop, and do not bring food or drinks in the shop. Whenever you are lifting the robot, always wear gloves, make sure the robot is off, and make sure to lift with your legs and not your back. During the build season, the safety sub team does more than just making sure everyone is safe. We make safety posters to hang up at competition, safety kits for rookie teams, as well as packaged earplugs for people who need hearing protection. All of these things are an effort to make sure we are safe and every other team at competition is safe as well.